Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 14, shadows. Shadows is kind of akin to silhouettes, which we've done previously. And if you want to check that one out, take a look at this card up here. But shadowing gives a little bit more drama to your photos. It gives a particular feel, especially lateness in the day. The one easiest way for you to take a shadow picture of yourself or to add your shadow to a picture is to, like in a later part of the day, almost golden hour or about that time, you can take a picture with the sun behind your back and it will cast your shadow. And later in the day, that shadow will get longer and longer. So in a subtle way, you're adding yourself to that photo without saying, look, here I am, with like a reflection or anything. And you can also take pictures of not just people, but things. If you think about an array or a series of columns that's holding up, some kind of roofing, and as the day goes along, you'll see that shadow get longer, and you can see that same pattern in the sidewalk in its shadow. It's kind of a dramatic, kind of a cool effect. But there's another aspect of shadows is using shadowing, using the power of darkness that's cast from part of the object. Now, from here on out, we will be using some examples because after 13 challenges, you should be pretty good at developing your own photographic eye. So I don't think I'm going to bias you anymore with giving you an example. So here's an example. This is actually a color photo, but you can have a lot of power, especially in a black and white. So you'll notice that this is a black and white overlay for this particular challenge. But what it is simply a hat on a stand with, there's a dress there, and there's a powerful light that's above the object, and that light is creating a casting of shadow on the other aspects of the items, the hat and the dress there. So I was able to use shadowing to help emphasize something that was just kind of a normal, everyday kind of thing, and it created more drama for that particular item. So as you go through your day, keep your camera with you, of course, but check and see how shadows actually play a part in our everyday life. You may not notice them, but take some time to notice them and see how you can incorporate them into your photos, especially for this challenge. Love to see your photos. You can hashtag us at Phototropics30, Photopix 30, and we'd love to see what you've been shooting. Remember, carry your camera with you always and continue to challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.